guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add canvas and apply it to all of your images. So for instance, you have like these videos. I'm just going to add like a few random videos to the timeline, and I want it all to have the same background. So I'm just going to select everything and I'm just going to scale it down. Hopefully it scales down everything. If not, I think I have to do it like one by one. Actually, I'm just going to do it like 80% on all of them so I can show you guys. Alright, so they're all in the main track. You cannot put this up here or else you won't be able to see the canvas. Scroll down and you'll be able to see the canvas button here. So it does have to be in the main track. You can either choose style or colors. So for instance, I chose like this one for the canvas and I want to add it to all of my videos. Just simply scroll down, actually scroll up here and select apply to all, and that should be applied to all of your videos like that. If you don't want the same background, just select like another one and then it's not going to be applied. But again, if you want the same background to be applied, select it and then select apply to all. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!